I will talk about how can you find notifications on your YouTube TV app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all notifications you have. Like you see here, I have no any notifications yet, but if you have it here, it's going to show for you in this list on your YouTube TV app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.